Black & Decker cordless hand vacuum. Hey there, YouTube and world, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here as I'm unboxing this Black & Decker handheld vacuum, which is like battery operated. So let's see what we've got here. This is the wireless charging station. Well, it is wired, but you just need to put it on this. So nowadays this is called wireless charging. It makes no sense at all, because every time there's a wire behind it, behind the wireless thing. Alright, so here is the mouth of the vacuum, I should say. How did they tag this one? That's really weird. How did they get this in? Oh, okay. So this is the mouth of the Black & Decker vacuum. This is pretty premium quality. It's very nice. I wonder how this works. Alright, so yeah. So I got this vacuum because of this excuse me, because of this mouth. I need to pick up some fine dust and dirt. I did some what was that? Oh, the manual. Okay, so I did some research online on Google and Amazon, and finally figured out that's all I've done. And finally figured out which vacuum to get, and it was this vacuum, the Black & Decker. Let's see, what's the model number? Black & Decker cordless hand vac. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below so you guys can go and check it out. You know, if you want to buy one. Yeah. So this is really powerful. This vacuum is super powerful. Even though if it's small and it's like handheld, this thing is super duper powerful. How do you lock this thing? Alright, that's a bit tricky. I think you put it like this. Yeah. Alright, so it's locked in place. So this vacuum is pretty heavy. It sits on the wireless charger like this. You just put it on the wireless charger. It just stands. So this is pretty cool, right? Yeah. So after you're done with it, you just put it like this. The thing about this vacuum, it's very powerful motor, which is, I'm gonna try to find out how powerful this is. Okay, so it's a 16-volt motor inside it, and this has lithium-ion batteries, which is allegedly longer lasting than nickel cadmium batteries. That's what it says on the box that it came in. So yeah, that's why I got this vacuum. I've done an unboxing of a vacuum, a small handheld vacuum before, but that was for my car because it has a car plug-in thing. But this one I can plug it into my home outlet, electric outlet, and it works. So yeah, let's switch it on. And I'm not gonna, switch it back off till this video ends. So wherever you guys are, stay fantastic. Oh yeah.